Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make these beautiful flowers using pipe cleaners. First we're going to cut a shape from cardboard. This is for measurement. Now we are going to roll another thread on the top of this pipe cleaner and tie a knot like this. Remove the thread. Now we are going to make multiple cut like this and make a small pom-pom ball like this. And look, it's ready. Similar way we are going to make a round using 2 fingers. Here we are using this pink color of pipe cleaner and tie a knot, and look, your flower petal is ready. After this we're going to make the leaves as well. So take 2 green color of pipe cleaner and tie a knot at the center. Now pull it down and give it a shape of leaf. Here we're going to tie knot again like this, and look, your leaf is ready. Finally we're going to combine all of them together, the flower petals and the leaves on this green stick. Put the green stick and cover the leaf as well using floral tape, and look, your flowers are ready. Let's make this beautiful flower using pipe cleaners. So we are going to fold this 4 to 5 sticks of red pipe cleaners and tie a knot. Now we are going to spread all the sticks and roll it like this. Roll all of the sticks and pull it down, and look, your flower is ready. Now adjust all the petals using your fingers like we're doing here, and your flower is ready. Keep it aside. Let's make its leaves using green color of pipe cleaner. So we are going to fold it over and over again like this, overlap it and tie a knot, and look, your leaf is ready. Similar way we're going to make 3 leaves and combine all of them together using floral tape, and look, it's ready. Now put a green stick on the flower and tie a knot. Now put leaves as well and roll the floral tape around it, and look, your flower stick is ready. Let's make this flower pot using pipe cleaners and paper cups. So make a 5 cm mark on the paper cup using scale and pen. Now we're going to cut it and cut these pipe cleaners as well. Now paste all of them on the top of this paper cup. Now we're going to cut 4 cm tissue paper, fold it, and we are going to tuck it inside like this. Now we are going to make the ground. Here we are going to use this green color of pipe cleaner, roll it over and over again and make a circle like this and put it on the top of the flower pot, and look, it's ready. We're also decorating it, so we're going to spiral it on this green stick, remove it and paste it on the top of the flower pot, and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful rose flowers. So we're going to bend this 4 cm pink pipe cleaner and roll over and over again and make a flower petal like this. Tuck it like we're doing here, hold it, and look, your flower petal is ready. After this we're going to make more such flower petals. Now look, we are going to press this green pipe cleaner as well. Here we are going to use a straightener. You can also use a press and straighten all of them like this. We're going to make the surface flat. So we are going to do the same on the flower petal as well, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make more such flower petals and leaves and combine all of them together like this. Now we are going to cut the extra part of the pipe cleaner and put it on the top of this green stick. Roll all of them like this, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to again roll a small flower like this. Flatten all the petal like we're doing here and give it a curve like this. Similar way we are going to attach it around the flower and the stick as well. Now we are going to use this green floral tape and combine the flower and the leaves as well on the stick, and look, your beautiful rose flower stick is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.